Yo, fire, bro.
Downtown, I probably look a little sick, but it's allergies because my cat is in my room. And today's a rainy day, if you can see, like always. Shit is annoying as fuck, but it's alright. Still out here doing this. Need some fresh air. You feel me? And it's nice right now. And it's Friday. So I'm just walking around the city like always and seeing what the heck I'm about to do. I don't know. I don't play my days, I just go with the flow. You feel me? We'll see what happens, you never know. Yeah, this weather's getting me tight, like that. It's a Friday, it's nice, but then it's raining. Like, it don't make no fucking sense.
Nigga, you know I ain't gon' listen. Fuck your opinion, I only need my intuition. What's your next move if you stood in my position? Doing what I want now, I don't even need a reason. Working while you sleep like we in the off season. She fucking with the kid and I'm acting brand new. She lied to her man, said he never had a clue. Mystery ain't